Hello everyone, Iyabulisa Imvelo Maqwati. If you're new here, I hope you're going to enjoy this video and you're going to subscribe. If you're returning study, welcome back and thank you very much for allowing yourself to grow with me. And I just want to have a very interesting conversation with you guys today. It is with regards to the experience I had over the weekend. And I'm just going to be basically talking about being a closer wife and some of the things that maybe other cultures don't experience. I'm actually sitting in my working station and I just have a conversation with my husband and it sparked something in me. I'm like, let me just talk about it because I haven't uploaded the vlog because I'm still trying to retrieve some videos that got deleted on my phone. So I'm like, let me just talk about it so long. And I don't know why I'm so excited. Did you know that there's no such thing as divorce kwaXhosa? Once utitiki umtyile mntasekhaya. But yeah, let me just give you a background story of bendiyiphi weekend and yeah, the reason that sparked this whole conversation. So over the weekend, we went to the Eastern Cape, ndikhaphe uDabswam. Bendino tatomncinci sikhaphe uDabswam. She was going to bury ex-mamazala wakhe. I'm saying ex-mamazala because she was married, I think, for 3 or 4 years, and then they separated and they divorced. Fortunately, she still maintained a very healthy relationship because we do know in some families, once you divorce, she still maintained a very healthy relationship with everyone, I believe, and I may say very close with uMamazala. May her soul rest in peace. So yeah, she passed on some kappa gesaya ezilalini. Now I expected her to just go there like anyone else, but she had to wear the full attire, her full gear, Makoti attire, because I think last year, so I had to wear attire, you wear idaki lakho, uyaqakatha, ubhinqe, yonke le attire, uphinde uthwale nalaqhiya yakho emnyama. So I was surprised when the girl pulled her attire the night before we went there. I'm like, what? What is girl? But what do you mean? You are no longer married into the, because logically, she's no longer married into the family. She's just going there as umama womntana waphaya, because she has a daughter with the ex-husband. So she had to wear the full attire. So yesterday, the day before yesterday at work, did I know this and this happened, and she was like, there's no such thing as divorce kwaXhosa. The mere fact that you ate you were introduced to the ancestors, and also I had a conversation because then I came back up in the yes, even if now we were to divorce, if you were to die before me, whatever the case is, he has a right of claiming I haven't verified this with anyone, but guys, please do tell me in the comment section, does that really happen? Like in Mkile was going, why would you claim my body? Like our personal culture is very fascinating, especially for me. In Cape Town, so I don't know a lot of things. Like that's why I always get excited when I am in Eastern Cape. Like you're getting because I'm fascinated and I'm excited about the whole learning experience. To go know what is happening. So she had to go there as umakoti. Whether the husband has another wife or not If now I'm your wife, then there will be 2 wives. Because one thing about ezilalini, they ask you, once they see you wearing the gear, oomama abadala bazakubuza uba ungokabani ke wena? Awuzuba usithi hayi ndandingokabobo sohlukana, uzovele uthi ndingokabobo. But they just asked the other wife 2 minutes ago, bembuza ungokabani. She's also going to say the same thing, which I find very weird. I don't want to lie, I'd be angry as the second wife, like why? But again, culture is culture. So I wanted to share that. And yes, nobani guys, where you come from, where you're zenu, iyenziwa londo or whatnot, because I'm still shocked. And also another thing that I wanted to share, this I discovered, when was it? I think 3 months ago, we went to a Zlalin Siyongcwaba still. And also in the attire, ihambelana nendawo ngendawo, because elalini nomyeni wami eWoodhouse. Xa kusoleke a member of the family, ezumakoti you wear your full attire. But sasiye eWoyita months ago. It's also a family member, but bona baseWoyita. Phayana I had to wear my umbhaco. Andizazi amagama azo, but I think I'm going to attach a video at the end. Umbhaco, unxiba into encebetha. I think it's a 5-piece. Kuba khona incebetha, kube khona skate, but on top of the skate sombhaco you wear idaki. So ndandinxibe umbhaco yellow, ndinxibe nedaki eli-green, and then on top kube khona ubeka incebetha, kube khona noyivala su, then ngaphezulu kubeke le ingathi yaqakatha, uyayibeka wethu. I can't remember abanjani, but I'm gonna attach the video. So ihambelana ngelali uba kuyenzwa njani. And also another thing, as umakoti, because I shared this on the other app. As umakoti, mostly apparently awukwazi ulala endlini enkulu ungabhinqanga. You understand? So if kulebe kuba what do you call this, umbhaco. So I had to sleep wearing the full attire because ifuna ukuhloniphile ungumakoti walapha. So xa uzalala endlini enkulu, you need to wear your full attire. Uthwele, ubhinqile, everything ndasekhaya. Guys, our culture. And also another thing, as umakoti, you can't awukwazi ubiza isiduko somyeni wakho. Number 2, as umakoti awukwazi umbiza umyeni wakho ngegama. Xa begqiba ukuyala apha bekunika igama ngale mini utyutsiki ngayo, baye batsho ke iphelile into kaBaby, iphelile into kasithandwa sam. Umbuza as utata kabani if you guys have a baby. If you guys don't have a baby, kuzothiwa ngubhuti kabani. Umzekelo mna, I address my husband as ubhuti kaSima, ngubhuti. Awusukuthi sithandwa sam kanye baby. And what else do I want to add on the list? Awungeni ebuhlanti. Yintoni ubuhlanti? The crown. Awusondeli actually ebuhlanti. I remember this one time in December. So besasisemgidini, and then abantu abangootata babexhela. Eligama sounds so weird, but ke kwakuwisa inkomo. Ibazela inkomo, yes, inkomo, kwakuwisa inkomo because yayingumgidi. Then ubuhlanti baphayana, it is not far from laa nto sasisebenza kuyo. Like we can literally see almost everything that they're doing. It's right in front of us. Niyayazi mos how dangerous inkomo is when it's fighting for its life. So I don't know what he was doing, but the battery. So I can't remember what he was doing, but ikhona lento ayenzayo, and le nkomo iyaperforma. So hi, I jumped. I'm like, I'm going there. But someone had to stop me by. I was but he wasn't hurt. There was nothing. And also another thing, if you say yadini emzini wakho, even if uyazazi uba uzawuvasa ngoku unxibe ipijama, ufuna uyobeka amanzi kwenye indlu, because ezilalini mos kuba khona izinto ezininzi, ufuna uyobeka amanzi kwenye indlu, mntasekhaya, you need to wear your full attire. You need to wear your full gear. Akho loo nto. I remember this one time we were coming back to Cape Town, so Saturday Sibuya was very early. Like Mama was sleeping, your dad was sleeping, they weren't going to see me. But still, kufuneke ubhinqe kuyahlonitshwa kaXhosa. Kuyahlonitshwa saXhosa. So I'm like, I'm very fascinated of what I saw over the weekend. Even when the family is speaking, when the family was addressing her or speaking with her, they were still addressing her as one of them. And that's not going to change. If you do exercise your culture, there's no such thing as divorce. Ketile. Belonging, that's it. I was shocked when my husband said, even if you were to divorce, I tell them what do you mean? So please do share. I know there's a lot of things that I might have forgotten because I just decided to start this video because I was excited. I'm like, I think I want to share this. So please do share on the comment section about what other fascinating things isn't because one thing about our Xhosa culture, a person can never sit you down and write a list of things you shouldn't do. Some of the things you are told as they happen, and then you'll be able to register it in your head. But okay, I shouldn't do this one. Okay, I should do this one. Okay, I shouldn't. So yeah, guys, I just wanted to share that. But it's a Xhosa, and I don't want to say I don't agree with everything, but I find it very weird. Like but okay. Thank you very much, guys, for coming to my chit chat. I hope you guys are gonna like and enjoy. I hope you guys are going to like and you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'm coming with the vlog, with the ECK vlog. I'm just still gathering my information. Thank you. So again, last night Mama Utiba umuntu makahamba olala endlini enkulu bisisifihlo mos. Then athi umuntu makalala endlini enkulu kwacaba umyeni wami and I can't kwacaba umyeni wami wakavumi ba uzolala endlini enkulu like uzolala endaweni engingalalanga kuyo. Kwathiwa no, I can't sleep there, but mina ndilale ndithele ndibhinqile. So ke ndilele ndinxibe umbhaco kunyanzelekile ndihloniphile ndithwele icemnyama ndilele with the full attire. And I touch a video more. Guys, India's Xhosa, it's a beautiful thing and we learn every day. It's actually very fascinating. Yeah, move with it. I just want to show you about usomchazi waseHoita. Kuphi eHoita phi? Umdangi. eHoita kumdangi. Unxiba kanjani xa kusweleke umuntu omdala? Ntalent. Ifaskoti banganxiba ifaskoti ebrown ke sana but ikude because kubhizi kugcwele. Yo, so ningabe nithethe ba yaze yaqhaqa. So nansi incebethe yami but mama zolami ebenze engxamile the last minute izolo actually so ayinayo intaba. That's how ndiyifaka apha. So nansi incebethe yami dala yakhe into yencebetha incebethe enxutywa ngumfazi. Uyinxiba ngegunya. Uyayiva ndinxiba ngegunya ndithina ndinxiba ngegunya. But ke ufake ifaskoti ufake nencebetha yabo. Nansi ke ifaskoti yami and then unxibe ibhayi. Ezifundiswa ndisikhulile ndazithinke ngoku. Ufake ibhayi lakho nali ibhayi. Andiveli ngamabele apha. Ngibona if1 spelling. Then ufake ibhayi. Uhle kakhulu ndandithanda nje. Yo, ngase ndiyabe ndinje. Yabona right away. Yabona. Nansi ke outfit. Kube the last part that I don't like. Ibhayi lakho but ke ngoku kuthiwa xa isisifihlo kufuneka uliphendulele.
awuvezi ngelicala limi. Elicala linezinto ezimnyama. Sofuna ukunqoba ngelicala. Babusela sami wena ntsike. Yima. Sami wena. Uzovela kusashambisa. Wasise la assisting.
Yima mntaze ilenga lizokusebenza ithi.
Oh nansi. Ngibe. Sikhasenze ngini. Nansi.